Good morning, everybody. Marie from Minard's Leisure World in Weyburn, Saskatchewan. And right now we're going to do a quick tour of the Durango 301 RLT. This is part of their mid-profile series. Durango is made by KZ, and they come with a 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, and they even warranty for full-timers. Really good insulation, great construction, and this floor plan is a triple slide couples coach, rear living room, only weighing in at 10,200 pounds, so very nice weight, not too long. I think we're about 35 feet, but it's got a king-size bed. So a lot of times when people come to us and want a king-size bed, it's a 40-footer. So this guy, that's why we order it specifically, king bed, short unit, lots of slides. So we're going to get started here at the front. Nice belly storage. We've got a 4-point automatic leveling system with the truck memory capabilities. These guys build kind of a subfloor. So you've got all your plumbing and water lines in between these 2 layers of floors wrapped in thermofoil. So really well insulated for that purpose. We've got magnetic holdback doors, huge basement storage compartment. And on a trailer that weighs 10.2, you do not usually get this much and this depth of storage. So we've got some motion censored lighting, 50 amp power cord, because you do get 2 air conditioners in this unit. Coaxes here for TVs, 110 plugins. They even give you this upgraded stereo Bluetooth speaker. Don't ask me how it works. Plug it in. Here we go. So big awning, LED lights, solid step system with the 4 steps, and that'll fold into the door frame. The friction hinge door, a key-alike system, so your keys are only good on this trailer. And then for those people who leave the door open, that's a slingshot. I don't know if it's called a slingshot, I call it that. But if you come out and your hands are full and you can't close the door behind you, yes, love that. Okay. We're going to keep going down the side, main side here, and you get beautiful windows right on your campsite with a second awning. So if you can use it, you have it, and if not, just leave it tucked away. There is that second LED light here. So Durango, KZ. At the back of the trailer, I'm just going to share a little bit with you. You get a 2-inch boat receiver, 3,000-pound capabilities, 4-pin wiring harness. Just scroll through the pictures on that. So let's check out the inside. So as we enter into this 301 RLT Durango, a couple things right here at the door. Fuse box, carbon monoxide detector. This trailer is equipped with the LCI One Control touch panel. So don't be scared of technology, you guys. We can set you up during your walkthrough, get it on your phone, so you can run your jacks and your slides and your lighting and everything right from your phone, but you can also do it right here on your control panel. Standard thermostat runs your air conditioners and your furnace. Love this hutch area right here at the door. They do this, I don't know what it's called, farm style, or it's just a lighter cabinetry in the kitchen. Beautiful wood tones. Nice functional cupboards, solid surface countertops, beautiful pantry here, little darker accent colors, motion censored lighting in the pantry. And then if you want to swivel here, we've equipped it with the 2-way large double door stainless steel refrigerator. So you can off-grid camp, and 4 big doors, lots of space in there. Island here, solid surface counters with the gooseneck faucet. They've went to a black faucet system. Insignia Oven. And I'm just going to open this for you because it is very large. It's a residential oven. It just sits in there, no cutouts or anything, and very large capacity. Lots of BTUs coming off of there. Storage all around. Plug-ins everywhere. And I'm going to get you to just have a look down here. We've got a garbage can spot, 3 drawers, and they've customized the island a little bit to have some bar stools for your morning coffee if you want to set up your laptop and just kind of use the end of the island. If you don't, that's fine. I had one couple put a mini fridge under here, a wine fridge. So if you don't have enough space here, then you've got room right here for whatever. Here we are into your very cozy, comfortable living area. So you've got a flat screen TV, a stereo speaker system, the recessed fireplace, and this is beautiful and warm. for those days you need it. Some upper cabinetry here. We're going to have a look at the back here. This is a upgraded trifold hide-a-bed. Fabric is super, it actually just ties together the flooring and the wood tones very nicely. It's not too dark. It's a leather pleather material that'll be easy to keep clean. You've got the nice blackout blinds at the back, and actually all the windows are these blackout blinds. So super easy. If you're coming in, you can have them all up in 20 seconds. Upper cabinetry. Here we are into your theater seating, and this theater seating is a little bigger than your average. You've got the power open and close. This way I can demonstrate and not get in here for you. The chairs also have 12-volt chargers, and again, those nice, easy, retractable blackout blinds. Freestanding table and chairs in the kitchen area. There is a leaf in your table here for extension. Lovely bathroom here. We're going to start porcelain toilet, which we would expect in this quality of trailer. Huge shower, absolutely huge. There's a bench seat in there, upgraded faucet, and then a little storage and vanity sink area. Perfect. So here we are into your bedroom, and remember, this was the key point in my introduction where I talked about king-size bed in a shorter unit. So do you have tons of space beside the bed? No. Do you have room to make the bed and get in and out of the bed? Yes, you do. You've got beautiful windows that you can open and vent. Actually, the bedding and the pillows are quite lovely. Reading lights, 12-volt charger up here as well, and a bit of a shelf. So people who maybe have those breathing sleep app machines, there is a bit of a cubby on the other side that you can put that with a 110 plug-in. So like I said, not as much dancing room, but you get a king-size bed and you have ample room at the foot of the bed to get dressed. Lovely storage here. And there's some storage underneath. We're going to get into the front closet area. I'm actually going to step to the side here and let the camera come through. So the whole width of the trailer, you've got this beautiful closet, hanging rod, and top shelving. Just going to point out here, we do have washer dryer hookup right here in this front closet. If it's something that you want to get installed, we would be able to help you out with that. I hope you enjoyed this little tour on the 301 RLT Durango. Remember, shorter couples coach, king-size bed, lots of fancy features in here. Check us out, minardsleisureworld.com.